Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can set the default preferences of elements by selecting Edit and Preferences from the menu bar. When you do, you'll see the default preferences displayed in a side menu. You can select any of these choices to view the Preferences dialog box. We'll select General. Now notice that the Preferences menu on the side over here, which is a drop-down text box at the top in version 5.0, contains the same choices that we can see in the side menu, so that you can switch which preferences you're viewing without having to leave the dialog box. The selection that you make from this menu will determine which preferences appear in the dialog box, just by giving them a click. So as you do, your preference choices will be displayed to the right. You can then set the preferences that are available and change their values. Now, some of the settings that you can set here are the general file display settings, cursor options, transparency settings, and memory settings, among others. Now, in response to user complaints, Adobe introduced the ability to change the element's interface brightness in version 7.0 under General Preferences. You can use the slider to change the brightness of the element's interface, which can make it easier to read. After you make your changes, you then click OK. In version 8.0, that slider has been replaced with the radio buttons for dark or light, so you can see what those look like. There have been a few changes to the options area, which include the removal of the center document window and the Project Bin auto hide features, as well as the addition of the Allow Floating Documents in Full Edit Mode option, all of these in version 8.0.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.